Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through the performance, or you can say review, of this car vacuum cleaner purchased from Temu. So it was pretty cheap over there, just $17 something, and it's rechargeable. You see this port here, through this we can always charge it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my car because there are a lot of garbage as you see here. So I'm gonna try it now and gonna see how it actually works over here. Okay, so this is the button. Wow, suction is really good. That's not bad. Of course, like in order to fully clean it, you need to do it a few times. But still, with the price you get, it looks like worth. Because if I go to a gas station for running their gas, vacuum cleaner at high suction for 10 minutes, I need to pay them $3. Right? It can vary across some other places, but near to my places, wherever I go, I have to pay like that. Now let me try some here. Wow, that's amazing. Definitely it is going better than what I anticipated. Okay, of course I am not gonna make you wait for the full time, but you see, let me turn it off. Whatever garbage it has collected, it is right here, so I can simply open and throw it out. Wow, this is amazing, guys. So this is definitely, I'm gonna put it in my car, and I can even charge it so very easily. Yes guys, so yeah, thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.